Sisho sasifuna shausa khulumela phakathi umthakathi uthi you guys ngicabanga nenza i-difference la e-South Africa anazi difference by the way and ukuphi kuzokwenzeka malithidlula i-30 nesala asanda khuluma amagama ahlapha
for the love of the country. For the love, just for the love of the country, my friend. Saksile, Richards Bay. Yabo siyajuluka thina. Lokusivuke ngo-3. Silale ngo 12:30. Ngo-3 sesivukile siyaplana. Siplana ukuthi izwe singavikela kanjani. Siplana ukuthi izwe singalenza kanjani libe lihle. Siplana ukuthi singalekelela kanjani uhulumeni wethu. Ukuthi ubone ukuthi abantu base-South Africa bakhathele kangakanani nanokuthi kulungile phela konke lokade kwenzeka bekwenzeka ngoba abantu benganakile benikeza abaholi ithuba njengamanje ke sesisela akuzukholwa akulalwe njengoba nibabona amehle njena nje akulalwe ngeke ulala abahamba abantu abahambe bebuyele kwela kubo thina sisale siyilungisa singabantu ama-Somalia, ama-Ethiopia, ama-Bangladesh, we know they're in Sandton, we know they're in Palito, we know in the most of estate, we know in Hillbrow, we know in our communities. This is not going to stop. We are not going to stop until you guys go back to your countries and fix your papers, and then you can come back to South Africa. So we don't care about social media, we don't care about the newspapers, we don't care about the news outlets that are labeling us. We don't care about you who are paying attention to what we are doing instead of keeping quiet if you don't agree and then you start insulting us. Mina, I'm too strong. I'm too strong. You can insult me, I don't care. I don't compete with anyone. Even those that think they are competing with me, they are competing with themselves. I don't compete. I only win. And I don't start anything that is not going to see its end in a beautiful way. So this country is going to get better. And after this, after the 30th, we are going to factories, we are going to farms, we are going to, your business is going to get hurt. Whoever is illegal immigrants in the country and illegal foreigners, your business is going to get hurt very bad because it's not helping South Africa anyway. Lapha Richards Bay sicela nisilindele ngabo 7:30 silindele insizwa ihlangane lapho ngaserenki yamabhasi nerenki yamatekisi lapho kunobhuqu khona sohlanganela khona. It's our country. No amount of insults will slow us down. No amount of propaganda is going to slow us down. No amount of scare tactics from the government is going to slow us down. We are going to win. You, all of you illegal foreigners, all of you thugs who left your countries and came to South Africa, and now you are insulting South Africans. You are stupid, you are a failure, you are nothing. You are supposed to be in your country, fixing your country, doing what I'm doing in your country. But you are here in South Africa, on social media, insulting South Africans. You are not making any difference. The reason why your country is like that is because of the same attitude where you leave your country, you come to South Africa to swear and insult South Africans. That's why your country is like that. Ama-South Africans siyabonga, nina bakithi siyabonga, nina benkosi siyabonga, qhubekani ningabanaki ningabaphenduli laba bathuka inhlamba nje Facebook ningabaphenduli ngoba the reason why their countries are like that, it's because they pay attention to stupid things. They pay attention to things that are not relevant. We as South Africans, we stood up for our country. We stood together with amaXhosa, amaPedi, amaVenda, beSotho, amaGhaghabe, amaMpondo, nawo wonke umuntu. we stood up and said, enough is enough, we need to fix our country. So let them swear as much as they can. But that's the only thing they know. Why their countries, if they are smart, why their countries are like that. South Africa is going to, no politician is going to save you. Go back to your country. Hambani, hambani. Siye penje ngamanje. Thank you. Papa yeni siyabonga.